Suzanne kept her word to me not to let on to others that I intend to step down next month. Thomas always intends to keep his word, but invariably the end result is that he breaks his word. He just isn't capable of being a responsible person. Next, to be over one's head. To be over one's head. To be very busy, to have too much to do, also to be up to one's ears, to be beyond one's ability to understand. I would love to take a week off for a hiking trip, but at the moment I'm over my head in work. Maybe next week when I am only up to my ears. It was impossible for the tutor to get through to Bill about the physics problem because the subject matter was over Bill's head. Next, to ask for. To ask for means to deserve, to receive a just punishment, also to bring upon. Examples in sentences are, if you drink alcohol and then drive a car, you are only asking for trouble. Next, don't complain about